I myself do not have any scientific background. It's really not the most important thing to look younger, in my opinion. What's really important is to feel younger. If we think of a stress as a positive momentum helping us achieve our goals, it will actually bring positive effects on our biology. I myself do not have any scientific background, but what happened is that I started on this journey with very little knowledge about science. I myself suffered from a very extreme case of gut dysbiosis. And I was around 24. I went for a very simple routine surgery, getting my wisdom tooth removed. The traditional medicine system didn't know what to do with me. They told me, you're too young, and young people do not get sick. And my path to transform myself back to the quality of life that I was used to prior to being sick took more than 2 years. And to really start thinking about how we can create the higher level of consciousness, higher level of ambition, and how to really transmit our creativity outwards.